Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer USDT from Kucoin to Tonkeeper. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So what you're going to do, first thing is you're going to open up your Tonkeeper app. You're going to go to the receive section, and you're going to copy this particular address, because when you go to your Kucoin, you can paste this address in the address bar so you can get the direct transaction. Then you're going to go back from over here. You're going to go ahead, open up your Kucoin app. Once you open up your Kucoin app, you're going to go to the wallet section, and you're going to go to the section of deposit withdraw. Once you go to the withdrawal option, you're going to go ahead, add in the address that we just copied. It will be asked in the address bar. Provide the address and go ahead, add in the worth of USDT you would like to transfer. And then once you have chose the USDT as the currency and then added the amount, you're gonna simply review it once and tap on confirm at the bottom, and your transaction will be completed. You can later on go back to your Tonkeeper app, and you can open it up and check it out as well. So that's basically how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.